Hello everyone, this is Mr. Jackson. We're looking at problem or item number 3 for Wednesday, October 24th, 2012 in math. I have 3 parts here. It says, what is the area of the area model below? What is the area shaded? What is the perimeter of the shaded part? Now we already know that area is the amount of space that's covered. And we also know that perimeter is the distance around something. So an area model is basically a shape like a rectangle or a square that has the squares already drawn in it. And most of the time they will give you a key. For example, this key tells you that each square is 1 square inch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. There are 28 squares. So there are 28 square inches involved here. Some keys will also give you this symbol. That means the line segment from this point to this point would be 1 inch long. So from here to here is 1 inch. From here to here is 1 inch. From here to here is 1 inch. From here to here is 1 inch, and so on. So when you understand that an area model is basically a blueprint or a diagram that has the squares already drawn, and you understand that area is the amount of space covered, and you understand perimeter is the distance around something, you can answer all 3 of these questions. For example, what is the area of the area model below? Area is measured in square inches. How many squares did we count? 28. So if you want to find the area of an area model, you count all the squares. We counted 28, so the area would be 28 square inches. You must put square inches for area, and you must put your units. Just putting 28 is not enough. Now, what is the area shaded? Well, let's say, for example, you have these squares shaded in. That should be well enough. To find the area that's shaded, you simply count the squares that are shaded. It's that simple. So how many squares are shaded here? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 squares shaded, so the area shaded would be 4 square inches. Okay? Now, they ask, what is the perimeter of the shaded part? Keep in mind, perimeter is the distance around something, and each one of these line segments is 1 inch. So all we would have to do is trace the number of line segments that surround the outside of the shaded part. So we would have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Doesn't matter where you start, as long as you stop at the same point. So we'll come down here and start and count again. And let's see if we get the same answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So for an area model, if you want perimeter, count the line segments around the outside of the entire model or around the outside of the shaded part that they're asking for. As long as you give them what they ask for, you'll be fine. So the perimeter for the shaded part would be 10 inches. Remember, perimeter is not measured in square units. Area is measured in square units. Perimeter is measured in basic units. And for bonus, let's see what the perimeter of the entire area model is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So if they had asked for the perimeter of the area model, we would say 22 inches. But since they asked for the perimeter of the shaded part, we have to count the line segments around the outside of the shaded part, and that gives us 10 inches. If you have any questions or concerns, please email me at ClassJump. Thank you.